Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about idioms with meanings. Idiom of the day: quick as a dog can lick a dish. Meaning, if you do something surprisingly fast or suddenly, you do it as quickly as a dog lick a dish. For example, he packed his bag as quick as a dog can lick a dish. Next is keep your fingers crossed to hope that things will happen in the way that you want them to. For example, I am doing my driving test tomorrow. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Give someone a taste dose of their own medicine. To treat someone in the same bad way that they have treated someone else. For example, tired of his humiliation of me, I decided to give him a taste of his own medicine. Water under the bridge, meaning something that happened in the past and now cannot be changed. It no longer affects the present. For example, yes, we did have our disagreements, but that's water under the bridge. Be skating on thin ice. To do something that is dangerous or involves risk. For example, he is skating on thin ice by lying to the police. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Means it is difficult to achieve something important without causing any unpleasant effect. For example, 20 jobs will have to be cut if the company is going to be made more efficient, but you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Down in the mouth. Unhappy, to be sad. For example, are you okay? You look a bit down in the mouth. Icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.